So guys, we harvested all our onions last week or a week and a half, and we hang it here in this rack. There's the red onions. The yellow onions was here earlier, but my husband has cleaned it already. And we are planning, since we don't have storage, to keep them cool all throughout the year, so we decided we were just gonna freeze them. And there's the yellow onions. We're gonna go to the gym, and afterwards we're gonna cut them up and package them individually. So we have an abundant supplies of onion all throughout the year. So guys, we are preparing for these onions to get cut off. There's the cutter. There's the clean onions. Messy, but hey. And then there's the cookie sheets. We're going to put the onions here, cut onions, and then put it in the freezer for a few hours, couple hours or 3, and then we'll pack them individually with this machine here. Alright. Time to work. So guys, we're gonna cut these onions. Ready? And okay, like this one, this is really big and not fit in here, so you have to cut it in quarters. And you can listen. Will it fit? It fit.
Why don't you open that up and dump a few out so we can see.
Is. So those are cut already. And this one, we're gonna pre-freeze this one. Put in the freezer. And then when it's frozen, we can wrap it. There. See guys? It's a lot of work.
That chopper really saves a lot of work though.
Yeah, I hate cutting, but it saves a lot of work. I think that one is still too big. Do you think so? Alright. Alright, continue on with the red onions. He doesn't want to be in the video, but there he is. So these are the yellow onions in the freezer. We're trying to pre-freeze it and before packing it, so it doesn't stick together, because if these are frozen, they don't stick together when you pack them. So it will take a while, like 3 hours minimum, and then we're gonna pack them now. All right, I'm writing on the date. Like, when did we pack this? Like, today is the 10th of August of 2024, and these are red onions. And fill this package with the frozen onion. And my husband, my honey, is gonna sell it up. So when we need it, I'll just take it from the freezer and then it's ready to roll. See, guys. There. It's sealed up. Ta-da! See, that's the finished product.
Ready to go in the freezer till we need to use them.
All right. So there we are. We have 3 for now. All right, folks, from the garden, from the onion plants, and here's the products. And then
What kind of onions are they?
this is a red onion. I love red onions. And this is sweet yellow onion. So as you are following us, we clean the onions and then chop them, pre-freeze them at the freezer, and then package them individually or wrap them individually.
Did you vacuum seal those?
And then vacuum sealed it so it can be preserved for a year at least in the freezer. So these are all the onions that we planted in the garden, and I'm pretty much sure that for the whole winter we'll have enough to use. So whenever we need some onions, we don't need to go to the grocery store. We'll just open the freezer and pull out one, and ta-da! And this, you can just cut it with a scissor, put it in your frying pan, saute. You can use it to saute vegetables, soup, whatever you want to cook that required some onion. And there we have it. And
what's some of your favorite food with onions? You put them in your hash brown potatoes?
hash brown potatoes, omelette with red onions,
Scrambled eggs?
scrambled eggs,
Soup?
and stew.
Stew?
So, yeah, everything. Fish.
Mm-hmm.
And we have some tomatoes coming up too. So we're gonna pack some of those too, or we're
Are
gonna
you gonna make salsa?
salsa, tomato sauce, tomato juice, everything that we can come up with our plants. And this year, I think we are so lucky with our garden. Everything turns out really good, and we have bountiful supply of produce for the winter or for the summer or the whole year, I would say. So yeah, guys, this wraps up for the process of preserving onions. And thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching, and watch for our next video, which is preserving also our beets. So thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.